everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am doing my very first makeup video today, and I just want to give a preview of my everyday basic look. If you have not already subscribed, please do. I have fashion looks, and also I'm trying to do a holiday party look for New Year's Eve. Hopefully I get that recorded today as well. And if you'll subscribe and like and comment, also give me some feedback. I'm new to this, so I need as much feedback as possible. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay guys, I've already washed my face, applied my moisturizer and primer, and I start off with brushing out my eyebrows, and then I outline them with the eye pencil with very small strokes. I'll take my time and try to get it as perfect as possible. If you would like a full detailed tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll try to get that completed for you very soon. Now we're finished outlining, so we're going to go back in with the brush and just blend everything out and just make it look as natural as possible. And the next thing we'll do is outline with concealer. I finish applying my concealer off camera, but again, if you would like for a full tutorial on my eyebrows setting, just please let me know in the comment section. Now I'm just actually putting the concealer on my eyelid to set my base for my eyeshadow. I'm going to go in and blend out the excess concealer around my eyebrows, and I like to do that with my fingers. It may seem weird, but it's just easier for me, and that's what I do, so I want to make sure I share that with you guys. It may be helpful for some people. And I like to also use my fingers to apply my foundation, which we'll get to. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and use a MAC powder foundation, and I like to use that because it's a natural warm tone. And again, I'm doing this simple makeup look for an everyday look, so keep that in mind. This is something that you can do if you don't have a natural tone color palette of eyeshadow. You can use your actual foundation powder. This is optional if you like highlighter underneath your eyebrows. I do, so I use a gold tone highlighter to just highlight up under my eyebrows. Next, I like to use a ink eyeliner for my lash line, and this is also optional. Some people like to use an eye pencil. I like the liquid eyeliner. It just makes it easier. Okay guys, so I don't add lashes every day. This is normally what I do for my simple look. I do add some mascara, and it just gives me that little nice effect, you know, just a little pop, maybe not an extreme pop like lashes would do, but it's enough for me. But if you are a everyday wearing lash type of girl, then go ahead and add your lashes now. Now it's time to apply our foundation, and as you can see, I'm trying to give you a view of the FENTY foundation that I use, but it's not picking up. I'll zoom in, it's not picking up, so I will list the products that I'm using in my description box, so make sure you check that out. But this makeup, guys, I have to say, this foundation is like the best I've ever had, and I really mean that, because I have oily skin, and I can tell you, if I don't even apply primer, this foundation still sticks and it doesn't move at all. So it actually sets very matte, and you'll see how it oxidizes as well. But I must say, this is like one of my staple products since I've tried it. I've been stuck and glued to using this on a daily basis. So if you haven't tried FENTY foundation, make sure you give it at least a try. It's worth it. As I mentioned earlier, I do use my fingers to apply my foundation. I try to blend out in every crease as much as possible, as you can see here, and it just works for me, guys. So if you like to use any other type of tool like a brush or the sponges, go ahead and continue to do that if that works for you. But for right now, this is the best way for me to blend my foundation in, and then I go back later and I buff out with a brush. It's all coming together, just a few more steps left. I'm applying my Tarte concealer, and then I'm going to go in and blend that out as well. So I don't do a lot of contouring to my face, but I do like to add bronzer. As you can see, I'm doing the bronzer with a eyeshadow. Actually, it's not even a bronzer, so you can just use a tone that works for you. Then I apply my blush to my cheekbones, and my highlighter I add in the middle of my nose, a little bit above my lip, and then I apply it right above my cheekbones and on the side of my face. Sometimes I can go a little crazy with the highlighting because I just love that glowy look, but I think it's okay long as you go back and blend everything in perfectly. And we're at the last step, and that is applying your lip gloss or lipstick to your lips. I first outlined it with a natural tone, and I think I wanted to be a little pinkish today, but then I decided that I wanted to tone it down. So you'll see me going through that process here. And we're all done. Let me know how it looks, guys, and give me a thumbs up.
For watching, guys. This was again my first makeup video, and I'm kind of new at this, so please give me any feedback. I definitely will appreciate all the feedback possible. I will probably do, like I said, a holiday party video for outfit looks for New Year's Eve, so I'll be probably recording that later today. I actually enjoyed doing this video more than I thought I would. I have my ring light now, so I feel actually better about recording more tutorials, so hopefully I can get on a weekly basis with posting videos now to my channel. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Thank you guys, and Happy New Year's.